This is proof that my mother snores, and very loud. Sounds like a chainsaw.
We had some whipped cream, some shaving cream put on her hand.
Some shaving cream. I wouldn't do that to her, David.
Wow.
Hey.